I remember right when I was sitting right there where all you guys were, my first workshop, 1976, Wyoming. I got to tell you how excited I was. So I had just been initiated, and the Magister picked me to be the assistant Magister, and he couldn't go to workshop that year. So he goes, Krach, why don't you go to the Magister's division for me? I'll tell you how excited I was. I went out a week early, because what I had learned is that at Sigma Chi, you can stay at any chapter house, any university, anything, and you get like lodging for free. So I show up a week early. I knock on the door of the Wyoming Sig House. Guy comes out. I still remember his name, JJ. He goes, who are you? And I go, I'm Keith Krach. I'm from Purdue. Delta Delta. I'm here for workshop. He goes, workshop doesn't begin for another week. I go, I know that. He goes, come on in. You see, I'm from Ohio. I've never been west of Mississippi. He took me to a ranch. He took me up in the mountains. We trout fished. It was the greatest experience of my life. I even roomed with a Sig from Georgia who had a tattoo on his ankle, a Sigma Chi tattoo. And I go, does your mom know about that? That was really far out there, man, then. I'm going to my mom's 90th birthday, right an hour away. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to get a Sigma Chi tattoo on my ankle. Maybe my forehead, who knows?